Ball joint toolsets are an essential part of any car owner's toolkit. These tools allow you to quickly and easily repair your vehicle without a lot of hassle. However, choosing the right ball joint toolset can be a bit of a challenge. There are a few things you need to keep in mind when choosing a ball joint toolset, such as the material it is made from, the manufacturing process, and the finish. With that in mind, we have put together a list of the best ball joint toolsets on the market to help you make the right choice. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the DEWALT Ball Joint Tool Kit. The DEWALT Ball Joint Tool Kit is a versatile and easy-to-use toolkit that is compatible with all types of cars and light trucks that have press-fit joint ball type. You can use it without removing the control arm, and all the tools come in a neat storage case. The case is made of high-impact blow molding type, which will effectively protect the tools from any damage. The kit includes all the cups and adapters necessary for both installation and removal. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Astro Pneumatic Tool 7865. Astro Pneumatic Tool has come up with a long line of successful toolsets, and this is one of their best product. The toolkit is of the heavy-duty kind. It is strong enough to be able to handle high-turnover suspension shops. To assure you of the quality of the product, it uses heavy-duty forging steel. Thus, you do not have to worry about any damage to the tools because of rusting. Furthermore, steel makes all the tools really durable. The product can also be useful for your anchor pins and truck brakes. At number 3 on our list, we have the OTC 7249 Ball Joint Kit. This product does more than just cater to the ball joints. The product is equipped to also be useful when it comes to handling the U-joint as well as the brake anchor pin. Next, the clamp frame of the product uses heavy-duty materials to provide more sturdiness to the tools. Also, the product comes with 3 different receiver tubes of varying sizes. The toolkit provides all that you may need, including one receiving and installing a cup each, along with an adapter as well. Since there can be severe cases, the clamp frame has a construction which can prevent any distortions. Finally, the case in which it will remain locked is blow molded for giving it a strong nature. At number 4 on our list, we have the ABN Ball Joint Tool Set. With this toolset, you will be able to keep the suspension system of your car running smoothly all by yourself. The product has a design that focuses on user-friendliness and durability. All the tools have forging quality steel as its material. Steel is popular for providing strength to the tools. Moreover, these tools also come with a protective layer of black oxide. Therefore, these together make sure that your tools do not catch any rust or corrosion and last you for a really long time. Finally, as an extra bonus, the product includes the C-frame ball joints press and the forcing screw in the kit. At number 5 on our list, we have the ORION MotorTech Ball Joint. Satisfying many people with its excellent performance, this product shines as the bestseller on Amazon. Needless to say, this is a top-quality product. It takes every practical necessity in mind. If you are only a beginner, it has a detailed diagram with a complete instruction manual that helps you through the operations. Further, with this product, you do not have to struggle to find the perfect match for your vehicle. It fits almost any vehicle. On top of that, the tools are corrosion resistant as well. This product has superior quality carbon steel as its material for the tools. Thus, you get both durability and strength. Number 6 on our list, we have the CALHAWK Ball Joint Service Kit. This is a versatile toolset which will cater to the needs of every vehicle owner. The product takes care of ball joints, universal joints, as well as truck brake anchor pins. The service kit with its multi-purpose functions is used to even look after the rusted or corroded parts on vehicles. The product is a complete package that involves various tools. It contains 3 different types of receiver tubes. However, the locking of the storage case is really efficient. Thus, you do not have to worry about any accidents with the kit. At number 7 on our list, we have the CARTMAN Ball Joint Tool Set. If you are just getting acquainted with ball joint toolsets, this will be a great choice. The product comes with comprehensive details about the functions and assembly of the product. Thus, it gets much simpler for you to quickly learn about the toolset. With a convenient and sturdy handle, the product becomes portable for easy transport. Furthermore, the toolset possesses skills to get rid of the rusted or corroded parts on the vehicle as well. With the purchase, you also get the additional C-frame press. Hence, your job will not feel complicated. At number 8 on our list, we have the POWERGIRL ball joint service set. If you are a professional, this will greatly come to your benefit. The set is a massive 23-piece set. Thus, you can be sure you'll have every tool you ever required. Moreover, managing so many different pieces can be a huge hassle. To prevent misplacement of the tools, the product comes in a storage case, which keeps all the items neatly in their designated places. If that was not enough, this product sports an impressive lifetime warranty. So, you do not have to worry about the durability of the tools. At number 9 on our list, we have the RAM Pro Ball Joint Service Kit. When it comes to the quality of the service kit, RAM Pro makes no compromises. All the tools in this kit have solid crafted heavy-duty drop forged steel as the material. This is coupled with black oxide treated adapters. Not only does it makes the appearance better, but it extends the life of the tools. Besides, the steel ensures they cannot be easily bent even with severe cases. Most importantly, this makes the tools resistant towards both rust and corrosion, essentially lasting much longer than the usual ones. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have this Dremel Powers ball joint tool set. Your suspension system will no longer require a visit to the mechanic. This set will also come in handy to take off the rusted or corroded parts to keep the vehicle in its prime condition. To protect itself from any of these, the product has premium quality forged steel along with black oxide finish on the adapters. This makes the tools provide long service and avoid any distortion, having the maximum strength. Both two-wheelers and four-wheelers are satisfied with the help of this product. So, you can also use it for your motorcycle. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.